Hello. Now I will be going through my project, which is the world's hardest game. So, as you can see, we have a tutorial here. Just gives the user a bit of instructions on what to do. You're going to control the red square, and your goal is to collect all the yellow coins and reach the green exit without hitting any of the blue circles. So now I press the space bar and we begin. So now the program is running. As you can see, I have control of this red square. It is lagging a bit, I believe, due to the recording, but I'm just going to keep going. As I go to the green square, you'll see I advance to the next level, and the level counter increased in the top left corner. So now this one, a bit more difficult. I have to still dodge all the blue circles. As you can see, if you do get hit, you respawn to the beginning, your death counter increases, and the coins respawn. So if I just beat this one real quick, sure not to get hit. You'll see if you play this that it's a lot less laggy when you're actually running it. And then, yeah, advance to the next level. And there's a handful more levels, and once you finish it, it gives you a nice little game over screen where it gives you a rating based on how much time you spent and how many deaths you accumulated. But yeah, that's basically it.